I got that fun now. Everything they solve. You need to smile small.
R&B, how you doing now?
First voice, you need to smile first.
R&B, how you doing?
First voice now.
I go look for a very bad word they call you for radio. Make people go. I'll give you a very bad name. No, I go give you one bad name now. Tell people listen to they call you what you don't like. I don't they tell you.
First voice, wait.
I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear.
But Mr. Kim, when they call you first, Baba God, you know best for him like this.
That one is Mr.
I
Kim.
know.
And that one not be for national radio. That one a conversation, off-air conversation.
Well, I don't know.
I know say Godwin na young at heart actually. So try to remind Godwin everything.
First voice, sweet 16. First voice, you need to smile with me first now.
There's nothing to smile about.
Hey, voila.
Godwin not just in the mood
Lady
today.
JJ, how far are you
I do alright.
So somebody, the taxi trees that the hilarious say, they call you my babe. When you never enter studio, but the moment we start across the bridge, you know they show say indeed you be babe.
So now they call me.
Yes, they say you be babe.
Hey. This one a heavy discovery, oh.
No, it'll be revelation now.
He never call me my babe to my face.
Why he go call you to your face?
Why?
Every time when he talks on the street, what they talk? Hey, he they lie. Hey, he they pretend. Hey, you know they talk true. Hey, he they form. Hey, you go always get something negative to talk to any good thing when tell you. So why you go call him for your front?
I bet when the food when Godwin they buy for me they expire.
Now today Tuesday. Now today they expire.
Turn the favor tomorrow. For this thing when just this fight when you let me fight.
Better Malabi.
Not worry with all those shock.
You see me for dream.
Yes, man. No, if you like the man, they always give him wife compliment. You go say, I beg. What you want? You go reach one stage you say you know go Google. If you dey tell him guys, man, my wife fine, she's sweet and all that. But you know talk. Yes. Only when the wife go come the year say, I heard your husband saying that yesterday when you were going to church or that you were looking so. You go say, but he didn't tell me. Oh. Because anytime when you talk, you go say, please, you want something.
Because 80% of the time, now Tassi they Tassi me.
How?
Now you they take us.
Compliment. How compliment be Tassi?
Do you know there are a lot of times that don't compliment you will turn out to fight and quarrel? Yes, now.
Plenty times.
When you compliment my shoe yesterday, I say thank you. I don't talk him.
When you come talk him again when you didn't say you don't turn out to fight.
He almost turned out to fight.
How?
No, you fight, you turn out to fight. Not here with you.
You talk about why I call them look under the table to try to look the shoe.
Nice.
If the fighter don't come now,
able to show
your bro don't come.
How expensive the shoe be till now. The tag will follow the shoe. Lady,
yeah,
don't come out.
If you know
they use iron tape.
Lady J, but I tell you, ladies for this office, if you see the way they smile ear to ear, if person give them a compliment, like Becca, like BB, like Nico, they go one jump out of their skin. Sir, you say, you look good today. Oh, wow.
But
Lady J, she they suspect everything your person tell her. If you tell Lady J, you look good today, she go they wonder what's in there behind this thing.
Because now they fight me all the time.
This
no,
where they get her wrong.
Now they fight me every time.
No. This is where they get her wrong. You don't create this defensive mechanism of say everybody they fight you. So when somebody actually tell you something when not be fight, for your mind, hey, now fight. You ready to go out and fight the person? No. I'm not gonna lie, give you sometimes they draw your leg, but most of the time I
thank God say you confess.
When they draw your leg sometimes, but don't be saying you go talk that all the time.
Now most of majority of the time.
You see,
majority of the time R&B they always tassy me.
Tassy you.
Yes.
Is this for your betterment?
Hey, well done, Mr. Betterment.
They say when they say now, what in person they talk about you where you know they now be the truth.
Now wait, see now that parable, now don't they try reasons?
Now be the really, what the person really feel about you? What they talk where you know they
for your back? Now make you know say most time people go talk some vicious things for your back, But when they call your front, they want they lalobo you. You get me?
Vicious.
So those people that they call wicked people.
I know go to abeg. Wait a minute of vicious.
Vicious things.
I need the meaning of that vicious. Please explain.
So like me now, I dey speak good of you for back. Like I don't realize when that person talk, I don't look at most time when they always refer to Lady J. Now my baby people, my dear, my lovey. Even back I know they praise her like that. When they ask of Lady J, but when they say now something.
You see now, I want me to make I believe say you dey
you need to pray to get person where they talk good about you when you know they always go fight for you. You got one time when they want to do one competition, football commentary competition. They look for commentators for Super Sport or something like that. So they come they discuss. So one of my guys they panel where they discuss who and who go be judges, where go judges. They come to think say okay, okay now Godwin I be the first person to do Pidgin sports for any
for
Nigerian radio in ever want to they come put my name one lady with it, they come say come one other person where they do where they speak Pidgin. When they even do sports so whether this is our industry, come say no him prefer this one. So they come they argue. My guy say no that one spirit blocking brain. Now he be producer. He just quiet. He be like say him mouth zip
up.
The lady just talk all the good things about that guy. I said, then come on, my name, put the guy name. When they finish, you mention that kind of thing, say, wait, what be God doing there? He can't come and say, so what just happened? We don't know how it happened. Say, he just don't come to defend me. Only for now, he can't go tell and say, no. You go better make the person will be the first person to do daily Pidgin sports show for Nigeria. Because they don't already do they approve her. That person is not 2.5 or 3 million.
Wow. Hey. Me, I'm not happy with Tamo.
Hey.
I'm not going to hide my own.
I vex now. I vex for like. I vex for a very long time. Say no. He say no what thing just happened.
It's spiritual. It's spiritual. You need to pray.
He say just get mental block.
You need to pray against mental block.
For your friends to do.
When talk better thing for you, you need to pray against such.
I don't even mistake. Just say I go visit somebody somewhere. I just did here. They discuss how they go take get somebody to do one particular deal. They discuss. As I just conclude, the guy say, they say, my guy say. Godwin there now. Godwin go do one. One thing when he says, really say, no, my guy go do. He just vouch for me. I just get that.
Now
job.
you see this thing when you talk. Like most businesses they thrive on this thing.
Referral.
And referral most time when it's positive, it benefits most businesses and individual. Whether they do all those PR and blogging that time, most people when I work for now Europe. Now South Africa. Now people when be say they outside the country. I never meet them face to face. With you get one person when I work for, Spice Bishop and Maliki. Now they block for that time because they do their work well. Anytime those guys contact the side, they look for person. The next now run bio, you go fit do the work well. That one go your the next thing say I don't hear good about you. See what this people talking about you.
Exactly.
So that's why I started doing free work for those people because what they refer me to now the money runs in different you get me currency you get me. So most time before person even speak good of you, you have to be good.
Good attitude.
Get good attitude.
And then I hope so when the person did there, you know, get mental. I remember one of our shaman we get one of these banks and whatever. When I remember one time one baby tell me say, God, this guy like you, don't listen to you for radio. So now in bed they go visit her. I don't even plan. Now I follow JB go there with this they don't serve buffet and everything. The guy just happy say I did here. Tell me I need to listen to radio show on the room. Cut long story short, when I want to do my show, if you know how much you man give me.
You say support you.
Because say
don't speak good of you. Yeah, carry me good there.
You understand? So happy say and be the.
But you go still need to pray against mental block.
Mental block. I don't know. Becca be like dickiness today.
Yes. That's what dickiness they dress. That's what they dress with afro.
I know me.
You see the fast.
I know me. Yes.
No, this one.
As the spirit leads, now they deliver the message. So your prayer points today: prayer against mental block.
Yes.
Okay.
Who need to remember you? Made them remember.
Made them remember you.
Exactly.
So we get one video. Yeah, we even use that for our Amebo area. Now one pastor where they rake for his church members because when the time reach for offering. Now 100 naira they put for the box, so we need to play so that you go feel it. The man best, the country.
350, I know about 20 liters every service. Shame to you. You got 100 naira. Shame to you. Go out there church ever. Shame. Open your men, also gonna be gonna na go aga no ever buru obenye. Maka wo ye game no Chineke ade se gonye ye kofu. God be your on chegu. Majestically God be Chineke 100 naira. Monday year 20 na iri na Chineke all that on arịọ me you go from nga zuli from nga so iso for like you through at this
Papa said you majestically can't drop 20 naira.
Then show the congregation.
Yes, now they
all of them they use
there plenty.
They're not too flexy like that.
Like I'm like 50 100
church. So the church
like 50
never
50 100.
And not 20 naira, 15 100 naira.
No, the number of people that the church like
probably 50. Like 50. Let's just say like 50.
Because I'm coming church, they never even roof.
So the often not reach G4 money when they do the run generator. Maybe the man they vex because you don't see maybe one or two of them if give more than that.
No, Godwin, the truth say that was a very insensitive behavior. You know why I talk so? For you to complain of how much they buy fuel. The same person too, they buy fuel now. The same person too, they the same country when they complain, but when it make you feel say you need more money. You never know that whether those your congregation, whether they don't chop. But because for their mind, I have to give off free, they take cut
from the little way they get.
Or even see some people they use their last money to offering. With the hope say if I come up for church, miracle, somebody go just jam me, just give me 500. I'll just work out meet money. Then they give up like that. So for you to talk like that,
that's why me and the feel say the only logical reason we could make that man talk like that. Maybe he know a few people for there if he give more than 100 naira or 200 naira. So in the
when you know that maybe their accountant, their bank accountant.
No, but okay, I'll be for instance, I'll give you an example. Make I start church now. You come my church, you come put 15 naira. I don't know what you give. Maybe I can come my church, come they give me. If I expect your tithe, I get an idea of your salary already. If your tithe not be 10% of, I don't say no. I can complain in the church. Can you imagine in this church? There is AC. There is AC in this church, and they want the ministry to move. People are giving offering of 1,000, 2,000. Meanwhile, in this church, look at yourself.
So you see why I go support your ministry? See, I must invest in your church. You don't get one big.
I don't get knowledge. Man, there is some pastor where they talk say, we have a church project to build one thing. We need 10 million one day. They know the title they come in. They know some brother will just buy 120 million naira motor now. They know somebody they don't go dedicate some people's house.
And now
they know somebody say, sir, our whatever before tax this year
have to increase.
This. In fact, we thank God for the progress. They don't know like 4, 5, 6 people. You understand?
No,
then the country they get project, people will come they wait. No.
Wait. But that church, if you look and where, I don't think say
those people be like.
Yes.
Now they're talking that the only logical reason why if you talk with that. But if that one, see,
the church is not even get window.
They never even put window.
The man need to understand if you want to start church as a person, if you God call you, or if you call God, anyone. No, like because
no call.
Because for instance, when they ask, I don't know that I've been at Jesus. They ask question about marriage and all those things. Why spend a goodness some people no marry? You can say no. It gets some people who decide by themselves they won't be Enoch. They don't want marry. Because of the gospel's sake. It gets some people say they make some people now make them eunuch. Say make them no money. It gets some people say some other people that they just advise. So it depends on how you do them. If it be somebody be say I won't be pastor. I believe say I won't help the gospel. Now you call yourself or you tell God say okay call me. Or do you want God call? Either way, in modern times anybody who want open church, you go need to don't make some money first. Because you need the first running cost. Not going to pay your member to come give you. Because you don't know who will call your church. If you get the poor people for that area first, you go first.
If you want to put church right now, may not be already one investor.
Exactly.
Or that person be investor. So you don't need to stress yourself. Whether you decide
to get the venue and all those, go there. The first running cost, go buy generator. And I go like, if I want to put church now, I go like my church get AC.
Yes,
big generator.
We'll get plasma.
So by the time when I start the church, at least the first 6 months, 1 year, money don't need to run the church. When people they come, they preach gospel.
But another angle where I look, I think this is just na clear example of say, the offering one they really give not before God, because they wonder why they verse on behalf of God.
They use that for the house of God.
They use that maintain the house of God now.
You go like see, you don't see any you pastor. Go live and you're not supposed to verse.
You don't see your pastor enter plane say they fly offering go give God. the offering they use that take care of the church, take care of the need and all those kind of stuff. But many pastors also remember say when Jesus they where they put offering. Now the woman will put the smallest in notice. He said that woman I put the best offering. Even though now small pass. Because now the smallest thing she get. So some of those people don't put their best.
Now what I be they talk? What if those people really don't put their best? Now what they think?
I understand what they talk.
Threaten them. Next time the person now go say I want to go church. This
one I don't get.
Make I not go. Exactly. Want to go don't want go thief.
In as much as I understand what they talk, sometimes people they very mischievous. They go say, what did they carry out tight they do? I no go give everything. I go put 15 naira. After all, now the pastors they shop the money. Now what is now how some people they reason.
But you not see me say the pastor go they.
That's why the church
the person exactly.
Money now. That's why the pastor need to be transparent. You need to let church what know what they do with the money.
The money you
when they pay salaries, you need to know.
Encourage people.
Yes. If you let people know what to do with the money, they go.
So when I
give
dey
you more.
Ibadan, when this church just usually come because the guy you come from UK, your style, you already swing. Now I move go the church. They use this venue. Guess what? I see the knock happen for church. I'm one of those people where contribute money when they take move go their permanent site. You get me? And the guy, you go your after I don't preach finish. You go your you go first about. I'm not waiting with that English. I'm not the force you get one English. Yes. I'm not the force you to do, but paying money here is too much. This is so amount we dey pay here just to get service here, and we feel say e dey better say more get our permanent site. You don see site, see the cost where you go do. You go name all the cost to you go dey break am down. Me now knowing the cost, I don't raise shoulder with my ATM. Because they don't arrange fine girls with POS. You do your slide time how much? 40K, sir. I think count until they move go there. Even when they go there, you go see contact. You say see what they use money do.
Exactly.
So you give it now go be like say you understand.
I don't tell you what they want use the money do now. Is it not 350 they buy for petrol? You don't give the reason now.
The man need to change the message when they preach for that church.
You know the
Teach them how to make money.
Yes. Sorry, first voice. The fact said he said they come majestically. From 20 naira.
They're proud of what they get, so they won't give. They don't.
You know that at the moment for some churches, if you get some offering, so wave your offering, your offering. If it's 500, you go to wave 1,000.
He get one church where they attend in those days. Why they they young? Once he be teenager and youth. The church name start with G. I know mention this.
I don't know like that.
When they say offering time, you know they say anybody offering, everybody go squeeze the money. But I thought everybody go hold hand. So how much when is that hand?
20 naira.
They go squeeze them. And always vex. So why did they squeeze this money like this? You understand? But now even our church, they won't give on us. They'll say, look, envelopes in front of you, but we prefer electronics. So if you don't transfer electronically, lift your hands up. You just do like this to pray. Electronic.
Nobody they fit fan. You see all these ushers. So for Bini, get one of my guys because I tell you, I did part of church well. I be one of those members of I don't get different family member of different church. So this my guy now usher I be. So now they always carry the bow when they collect offering. You know, please anytime we reach us, this guy they bring 5,000 come aside. Now God, you're blessed me.
If they collect, he pay for that day.
Because your justification that said the pastor, you don't see nobody has work up for church. He's supposed to define transport. This guy will say because the church did more use our transport, they come and now you go play ball, now you go do a shot. You know, so you don't pay yourself from your.
You know, I don't tell you about one pastor one time when they suspect saying offering they always the low. So that the way they can't give offering, he can't put dollars, $100 now. So when they can't count offering finish and they can't. You check all the money, not see the dollar. Is this all? They say yes. Are you people sure? Yes. Okay. So you people have been stealing this money. They say no. I put $100
intentionally.
In this. Yes. And the outcome it did not make its way to the final. Now they don't say all those people, all those deaconess and what they thief the money. So it happens like that.
So
that's
most
why
of them prefer electronic.
Electronically is
no
good.
leakage at
like
all.
me now, electronically I they give, but my children I always give them money cash.
Okay.
Because I try to teach them the.
How much you give them?
1,000 every Saturday.
Still want to talk about that.
One K now they give them. I let they give my children less than one. Give them
That
1.
means your children are not excuse that money. They hold on.
Yes. So we dey talk about fresh fruit. No,
First
say
fruit, yes.
No, say now when we say the year just starts, most churches now will say your salary,
Your first salary.
your first salary
yes,
of the year. You must bring it to God.
Now, Pastor give one example about our first fruit this Sunday.
So me and Arabi they talk about that. Say with the way we say the country, be where they don't pay 13 something for some years.
I know.
They don't pay salary since on the 15th of December. It go really dey easy for some people to actually do that.
No, the first fruit they go wait for the January. What be the real meaning of first fruit? Be that say you must pay your first salary.
Now wait till most of the other churches they talk say your first salary of the year.
Like when my pastor talk now, say for instance, like on Sunday, my pastor talk say, you dey church now. Somebody can't give testimony. Praise the Lord. So last year, first salary in January, God said I should give him my first salary of the month. He can't pay all his salary.
For the month of January.
Yeah, maybe like 2 or 3 months later, I can't give testimony. Thank God, my business can't do then. Pastor can say, very good testimony. Then the next one brother can say, now the formula be. can't go. He said, "Can't say okay the next time." He said, "Next year, you won't go give in January salary." Meanwhile, school fees there and all those things.
Exactly, responsibility.
I'm about to say the way hunger will beat you. You just scatter. He said everybody. He said everybody destiny different from.
Yes,
He said instruction different from instruction. Say God, if you tell that man drop your first salary, you if he say keep on. So that you know go they beg for money.
Yeah.
You need that more than this one. So no talk say because one person give him salary, you go give your own. No, everybody
be the same.
He said no try am. Yeah, he said no try am. Just like everybody jackpot now. You say one jackpot, think and wait.
Yeah, can you survive outside
he said
of the
because they
country?
live for Nigeria now. Church now they sustain some people who don't jackpot.
Yes.
Because they don't hang where they
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So so everybody so this first fruit of 18 say na personal thing. If you believe
so you're not supposed to compare.
not compare. No,
Because
Bible say give with the cheerful.
Listen,
Bible say
to-
give joyfully. Bible say
Oh my God.
God wants a cheerful giver.
But some church, a lot of churches there where we say now compulsory.
No.
Now why I call
Give
it tell
am.
back? I say maybe now the reason why they
No.
still say church, they always
It
did
dey
for
wrong.
say try and fast so that you don't
Yeah.
get reason to use the money.
He dey wrong.
No,
He dey
be
So
wrong.
like that.
biblical, he supposed to be
You know,
choice.
In
Yeah.
fact, I
Your
never
own conviction.
see. Man, I tell you, I never hear first fruit from. I don't attend this church for over 4 years. I never hear first fruit before.
So where this first
All
fruit
they
come
do is
from?
No, he did for Bible.
All they do is tithe and
He
offering.
dey
First
get
fruits
one
day,
part
you
of the
understand?
Bible.
Okay.
Bible say honor the Lord with your substance and with the first fruits of your
Old
increase.
Testament.
You
But you know say
understand?
good that fruit that time. Now actual fruit that time.
Now the thing is, so
Yeah,
na
they are
harvest
farmers,
from
so they
farm.
harvest from
A
farm
lot of
now.
things they give harvest from farm.
Yeah.
You go see honey.
Yeah.
Some put na honey farmer. Some put na cash crop farmer. Some put na
So
normally.
out of their
or whatever.
harvest, they go bring some corn.
You understand? And if you want to spread them, you get different, like when they talk about the issue of tithe. You get what the Bible say, you go bring once a year. You get what the Bible say, you go bring once every 3 years. You get what the Bible say, if you bring
Not be
an,
like every month.
you get what the Bible say, if you bring an, you will shop am.
Hold on, tight.
Yes,
Curry.
you get the type where Bible say, if you bring this tithe, now you will eat.
So why these your people
You
don't
get
dey
one.
preach this part?
So what do you mean? Why
Why
you
you by people and the pastor?
This guy never understand me. I don't come my uncle for village. May look for buyer for our land. Won't buy land for church in Lagos. That daddy Gio, you don't be so.
You understand? You know, but because in modern time,
Yeah.
we they get in those days, nobody they do monthly salary. All these things.
Yeah.
Harvest are like at a particular time of
Time,
the year,
that
so we
it
go
be.
gather 'em. So now, since you they get your income small, and most people now income now based on money, no be saying farming whatever. So it is better because the truth be say if you want say you won't keep your offering from January to December, may bring everything together, you spend them. Once if you go come, you go use them. So as they enter your hand now, just come out your 10%, put them, and then offering a free will. As you feel afford,
He not support.
give. You know,
But some people
but you
they
not go
too
hear
force
ever hear
people.
anybody from my church. In case you don't
What is your pastor name?
Elevation Church.
Okay, yeah, now my wife they go for one.
You see what I tell you, may follow your wife go that
time.
church.
Follow am
Follow your
go.
wife,
Follow your wife
go.
go.
Follow
Follow
your wife
your
go.
roads.
You understand? So, but me, they attend Elevation Church mainland. Now my pastor Bola this and I they talk this Saturday about say no go follow somebody, go spend school, uncle go kill you. They talk that. You understand? And nothing when they talk
I
very different
think
from what the other ones
Yeah.
talk. Now the same thing.
I think if we get more men of God who they really speak reality instead of their selfish benefit or greed, I think maybe this country will be a better place.
Yes,
You
now.
get,
Like
let's be
my
sincere.
church now, this
Yeah.
school fees time.
All right, it's
They
time
don't
to
tell
leave.
everybody.
Thank you.
If you don't get school fees,
The grace of the Lord Jesus Christ.
the love of
God,
God.
And the
and
sweet
the
fellowship of the Holy Spirit.
Spirit.
Be
Be with us now
and
forevermore.
Pastor Becca today.
Amen.
Pastor Rebecca.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.